Ever wonder how the wealthiest individuals amass their wealth? It's not always about inheritance or winning the lottery. More often than not, it comes down to a well-planned strategy. Today, let's delve into a step-by-step process that many successful people use to grow their wealth. Step 1. Cultivate the right mindset. Sounds cliché, doesn't it? But it's a fundamental truth. Wealth creation starts in the mind. If one doesn't believe they can accumulate wealth, they never will. So foster a growth mindset, embrace challenges, and remember, failure isn't a pitfall, it's a ladder to success. Step 2. Acquire financial education. It's surprising how many people want to make money but know so little about it. Understand the basics of finance, learn how to read financial statements, comprehend the principles of investment. Equip oneself with the knowledge to make informed financial decisions. Moving on to step 3, develop multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is like putting all eggs in one basket. Diversify income sources. This could mean investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a side business. The aim is to create a safety net. Step 4, invest wisely. Investing isn't about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich sure. This means making informed decisions based on research and analysis, not emotion. It's about understanding the risk-reward ratio and being patient. Step 5. Save and reinvest. It's not about how much money one makes, but how much they keep and how hard that money works. Saving is essential, but so is reinvesting. Reinvestment means using the profits from investments to make more investments. It's the snowball effect. Finally, step 6, protect wealth. Wealth protection is often an overlooked aspect of wealth creation. It involves insurance, estate planning, and tax strategies. It's about preserving and protecting what has been built. To summarize, wealth creation isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It begins with a mindset, demands financial education, and thrives on multiple income streams. It's about wise investment, saving, reinvesting, and protecting what has been accumulated. It's a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and above all, strategy. Remember, the goal isn't just to make money, it's to make money work for you. So cultivate that mindset, acquire that knowledge, diversify those income streams, invest wisely, save, reinvest, and protect. Because wealth creation isn't just a process, it's a lifestyle.